Welcome back to another K-Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm coming to show you this beautiful spec home. This is the Cairn floor plan. It's 2,090 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, and a double car garage. Okay, so I'm gonna start like I always do my videos. I'm gonna start do a walk around, and then we'll move in. As you can see, it's a nice size home, nice pavers. This one was just completed. I mean, probably they're moving in this week, so I was able to get this one completed so that way you could get to see the floor plan. Okay, over here is your shut-off valve to the home. It's a good idea shutting it off if you're gonna go on a trip, just in case if something happens to a pipe or something, you don't get water all over the house. Over here's your carrier AC, the hummingbird sprinkler system. Okay, let's move around. Here's your yard. This yard might be bigger than usual because K-Coral lots are 80 by 125, most of them. This one seems to be bigger. So they have also 120 by 125 and they got 85 by 120. So I think this is an 85 by 120. So just to give you an idea, if you're looking for a lot or if you're buying a home, most likely your lot will be 80 by 125 by 120. Okay, over here, check out the nice lanai enclosure. Not enclosure, but that is outside. This builder don't tend to put screens on them. A lot of the people that we sell them to, as soon as they get the home, they put a screen. So, but that's one of the things that this builder haven't got there yet to put on. But they have improved a lot in a lot of things that they to upgrade this home. When I go inside, I'll show you all those nice things that they give you that a lot of other builders don't give you. So okay, so this is the side of the home. The reason I do this type of video is for you to get an idea of the floor plan. This builder most likely is building a couple of them right now, and they got different close finish dates. So if you would like more information on this home, if you like it and you would like more information where the other ones are being built, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. That way we can help you out and tell you the other lots where they're building them and also the prices. So now what we're gonna do is just go in and take a look at the inside. When you come in, you're welcome with this nice door. Voila! It's nice and clean. It's very nice to show. Okay, over here to your left, you got a hallway. Okay, over there you got the living room. And let's start first with the first 2 rooms on this side. Okay, here's your guest bathroom. The shower and tub. Also, if you notice, there's tile in the back. Okay, now we're moving to this bedroom number 1 here. As you can see, they're nice size. Hope the camera gives you a good view of the size of the room. Here's your closet. Double door. Okay, keep going. Here's your room number 2. No light. Okay, here's the same size of the other room. And you got your same type of closet. Now over here, we got the laundry. And remember those nice things that the builder gives you? Gives you a washer and a dryer. Okay. This builder provides you with all the appliances, garage door opener, and blinds on the windows, all except the slider door. Okay. Over here, you got your 3.5 ton Carrier AC. Over here you got closet. And we move right around here. And let me show you the front door from the back. Also, they give you a push button keypad that I think also could be Wi-Fi, so you can open the door from anywhere. Over here, this area here, a lot of people that we sold this floor plan to, they tend to put a bar or a desk. So if you have kids, this could be a good study station. And if you're a single and like to drink, you might have a bar. So your choice. A lot of people do different things with this little area here. Okay, over here, you have another closet. If you notice, it has a lot of closets, so that's good. Here's your third room. This one seems a little bit smaller than the other one. Maybe it's the same size, but it seems a little smaller. And over here you got a one door closet door. Okay. Now we're gonna keep going. Let me show you the space from the other angle. And over here's your double car garage. Down there you got your water heater, electric panel, and your hurricane shutters. Now we move into the living room. This room, it's big. I don't know if you hear the echo of my mouth, not coming out of my mouth, but there's a big echo here. It's very spacious. Those beautiful 3 windows bring a lot of light inside, so it's very nice. Stand over here in the corner so you can see the size of this room. Okay, it's a big living room. And your kitchen, also very nice. It has quartz top, solid top quartz. Okay. And like I said, it brings all the appliances. Okay, your stainless steel refrigerator. One thing that everybody likes about these homes is the nice pantries. Big pantry. Also, here's your microwave, your stove, dishwasher. See if we can get the dishwasher for you. This washer. And we gotta shut up the island. Okay. It's a very spacious kitchen. A lot of people, they put benches over here in the front. So. And then this space over here is for the dining room. You can stand over here in the corner, you can see it. It's very spacious. And then your slider that leads you out to the lanai. Well, let me know what you think about this Cairn model floor plan. And like I said before, it's 2,090 square feet. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and all the blinds, appliances, and the garage door opener comes with it. Okay, now we're going to move into the master bedroom. Okay, here's the master bathroom. Here's your double sink. Something new that they're doing now, the builder is putting on, it's putting solid countertop. Last year was Formica. Now they're putting solid countertop, so that's a nice upgrade that they're doing. And over here you got your shower. It's your shower with the tile. Then over here you got your toilet closet for privacy. And over here you have a nice closet here. But this is not the only closet. Check out the size of this closet. A lot of people like this floor plan because of the kitchen, a nice big living room, and this humongous closet over here. Stand over here so you can see. Okay, now let's go over to the bedroom here. Oh, before we stop there, another closet. So plenty of closet space in this home. Okay, this is the master bedroom. It's pretty nice, big size here. Most likely I see that the bed will go in the middle there between the two windows because they have the TV hookup over here. So, very nice. One more look at the bathroom. So, I guess that's all for this home. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I has been selling real estate in Southwest Florida for over 20 years, Cape Coral, Fort Myers. So if you have a question on this home or any other home out there, and you're planning to move to Southwest Florida, feel free to contact us with your questions. We're here to help you. I hope you enjoyed this small video, and I'll see you on the next one.